Hello students. Hello class 8. Today I am going to start a very new chapter, that is a chapter 5 of biology, and the name of the chapter is adolescence and accompanying changes. So let's start with the adolescence, what the adolescence is. So adolescence is the time period of our life when there is so many changes occurs inside our body, or when body grows. Okay, so adolescence is a growing stage of the body, and accompanying changes according when a body is growing according to its age, there is so many changes that changes occurs inside our body. That changes is known as a accompanying changes. So I believe you understood the meaning of adolescence and accompanying changes. So there are few before going to start our chapter, there are few important words that you have to be learned by the heart. Okay, you have it these important words has to be learned by you, by yourself, by heart. Okay, so I am starting with the very new words. They are very important in that in this chapter. So I'm starting that first word, that is adolescence. Okay, so adolescence is the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. So the period of life when the body undergoes changes. So the time period of the our life when there is so many changes occurs during our growing stage, and just because of these changes our body become reproductive. Okay, so when we gets reproductive maturity on the basis of increasing our age, that time period is known as a adolescence. ओके, सो जैसे जैसे हमारी एज इंक्रीज होती जाती है हमारी बॉडी में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आते हैं एंड वी बिकम रिप्रोडक्टिव मैच्योर. दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इज नोन एज अ adolescence. Now second one is puberty. Now the age at which the reproductive system become functional. So the age of the human body when the reproductive becomes functional or reproductive system start working, that age is known as a puberty. Okay, now third one is a voice box. So it is the enlarged part of the trachea which is also known as a larynx. Okay, and this larynx is found inside the neck. Okay, neck region. So this larynx is found inside the neck region of the larynx is found inside the neck region of the neck region, and this is a enlarged part of the ट्रैकिया. तो ट्रैकिया कहाँ पे होता है? लैरिंग्स के पास. और when there is this part, this trachea becomes enlarged in the nature. Okay, so that from that part voice is coming. That enlarged part of the trachea is known as a voice box. Okay, so enlarged part of the trachea which also known as a larynx, और इसी ट्रैकिया को हम लोग लैरिंक्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. एंड दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज अ वॉइस बॉक्स. सो फ्रॉम द ट्रैकिया वी आर एबल टू स्पीक, और वी आर एबल टू प्रोड्यूस साउंड बाय speaking. Okay, now fourth one is Adam's apple. What is the Adam's apple? Swelling part of the throat. So you must have seen in your neck region when there is a swelling part in between in neck region, there is a swelling part. That swelling part is known as a Adam's apple, and this voice, our voice is coming from this Adam's apple always. Okay, how it comes? When there is a vibration of the air happens inside the throat, Adam's apple. Okay, and when the air of the body vibrate in the swelling part of the throat, means in Adam apple, then by the vibration of the air voice comes. Okay, now secondary sexual character. So what is the secondary sexual character? The behavioral and appearance of the features which help to distinguish the male from the female. So the behavioral character by which someone can easily distinguish between the male and female, or appearance of the characters means the characters which are appeared in our body, with that character someone can easily distinguish between the male and female person. That characters are known as a secondary sexual character. Okay, now second and next point is balanced diet. अब balanced diet क्या होती है जरा देखते हैं. So the diet means खाना. The diet का मतलब होता है food. Okay, the diet which includes protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins in the required proportion. Okay, so जितनी भी हमारी डाइट में कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट एंड विटामिन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, अगर उतने उस इन न्यूट्रिएंट जैसे कि प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट और विटामिन की उस प्रोपोर्शन में हमको मिलता है उस डाइट में, दैट डाइट इज नोन एज अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. दैट इज व्हाई हियर इट इज रिटन द डाइट विच इंक्लूड्स protein, carbohydrate, fat and vitamins in the required proportion. Okay, so this such type of diet is known as a balanced diet. Okay, now next one is reproductive health. Okay, reproductive health means it includes such aspects that ensures a responsible, safe and satisfying reproductive life. Okay, तो it इंक्लूड सच एस्पेक्ट. इसमें कुछ ऐसे एस्पेक्ट होते हैं जैसे जो कि एक पर्सन को रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनाते हैं, सेफ बनाते हैं, उसकी लाइफ को सेव करते हैं, और उसकी जो रिप्रोडक्टिव लाइफ है जिसमें वो रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, नई जनरेशन को बना सकता है, डेवलप कर सकता है, उस रिप्रोडक्टिव लाइफ को वो कैरेक्टर सेटिस्फाइड करते हैं. ऐसी लाइफ को बोला जाता है रिप्रोडक्टिव लाइफ. एंड व्हेन इन सच टाइप ऑफ लाइफ द हेल्थ इज मेंटेन, दैट हेल्थ इज नोन एज अ रिप्रोडक्टिव health. Okay, that is why it is written over here. It includes such aspect that ensures a responsible. So that health which makes the person responsible, safe and satisfying their reproductive life. Such type of health is known as a reproductive health. Okay, so these are some important words you have to learn. Okay, after learning these words I will start the chapter in my next turn. Till then prepare it. Thank you.